Welcome, if you're returning, welcome back. My name's Josh and this is the rural New Zealand house build. Retaining wall, day something. Got another load of drain rock here and that's just to finish off all of down the side of here. So I've got to put a little bit there, wrap that over, and then I can backfill. Same with on the other side. I've got a slotted pipe there as just like my main drainage line. I get to unloading all of this. And hello. Nice. I've done a bit of tidy up. Just around the sand pile. What I did first is put a bunch of sand on top of the drainage material. So we've got duct with slits in it, then I've got drain rock, then I have the fabric, and then I've put sand on top of that, and then I'm just putting sort of the mixture of sand and dirt on top of that. So I'm leaving this area here just sort of open and exposed for when the plumbers want to do their bits. So this sand pile currently will be used for the deck mix. So I've got a whole bunch of concrete bags and builder's mix for this. It's looking a lot tidier than it was. I need to move this pile of bricks as well. So I've already shifted all the ones that were out here over to there. Made a little sort of corner of stuff. Brought this ages ago. Little trolleys here. So handy for this sort of stuff. Don't necessarily want to leave the bricks on there because it will obviously wear it out pretty quick if it's just stationary with all that weight on it. But yeah, I'm going to crack into it, and I've got some fans. Lovely. You see any glistening? It's the halter collars on the cows in the sun. Hot tip for when you don't have a trailer jack, just use a bottle jack. Makes life easier. I do have a trailer jack, I just haven't installed it yet, so eventually I'll get there. It's time for fit off today. A ton of stuff to do. I've laid out all these outlets and everything as to where they're going, and so that's pretty much most of the house set out. Now in doing so, I've also prepared all of the flooring so that the guys doing the vinyl won't have to worry about that sort of stuff. Got a tower rail to put up, speaker up here, and vanity mirror will go there. So I've also got PowerPoint there, PowerPoint down there. I may decide to make that a USB one to charge stuff in here later, but I can do that whenever. Then in here, main TV wall, so plenty to go on there. Got these banana audio plugs. Got Cat 6 data jacks everywhere, and yeah, good plates. So all of the gear is XL Life, and yeah, plenty to fit off there. Also got speakers up here to do. Got grills to go on. Microwave there, This will be for a PowerPoint over on this side, and then I'll have the oven switch through there as well. And then this is, sorry, no. Then I'll have the hob switch through there as well, and then this is the oven supply cable. The fridge outlet, pantry outlets there. Those there. I've got four gang PowerPoints for the office space, plenty more data. I've also got to come up with a plan for these HDMIs and display ports, but I believe the USBs can fit through the grid plates, so that's good, so I can make a plan with that. Nice, beautiful, foggy morning. That's for an LED, and then in here, so I've got these here, so I'll probably put that there, and then the outlet, that'll be that. I've also got the Tuscany wall paint in here. It's looking quite nice, so I don't say so myself. Then the Legrand there. So double PowerPoint with USB mix either side of the bed, and then master bedroom TVs ensuite. It's got PowerPoint there, and then I'm putting a USB PowerPoint there, and that'll be for shaver chargers and everything else. Towel rail. Probably does look a little bit funny being different height, but yeah, can't do much about that. As you can see, I've already cut out a few fittings and fixtures in here. I wanted to make sure it was going to work before I started getting too carried away putting all the rest on. Yeah, today it's going to be the day where we get the bulk of this up, and I can cut out all of the fittings and fixtures, possibly feature light in the island can go up. Yeah, it's going to be it's going to be epic. Any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer. We also have kitchen islanders in, waterfall, a alabaster white with black handles. I'm gonna rotate this around because it should really be this side, so it'll be the opposite of the other side. The navy over cupboards with 80mm range hood. Hob's coming today as well. And then yeah, same in here, the alabaster white, and then just normal kitchen cabinets. And here we have, yeah, laundry is the same bench top. It's a engineered stone, so it's not the old style. The bench top manufacturers are now changing to a different style of stone. They can no longer produce the old style, so about sort of 18 months ago there was a big shift, I believe because a lot of people were getting silicosis. So this is a better product that, to the best of my knowledge, doesn't produce nearly as much of the harsh lung effects. If you like these videos and get good value out of them, please like and subscribe. Under this pile here is the other sheets of ply. So all of that's going to start going up today. And then I have yeah, my screws that I'll be putting up. Got some black tape just in case I need to for the gaps. And then I have some of the slightly cut down sheets here. I think there's 5 of them. So this top run is 2370, and this middle 10 is 24 long. So.
got no direction. I just wanna call you to feel safe, but I got no reception. I always wanna know what's wrong, but end up coming off too